Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Jeff at Lockdown Security, making you a video today on the differences between the Blackvue lineup of dash cameras for 2019. So there's three popular sellers that we have in the two camera format, but you can apply this video to the single channel one camera format as well. The three models would begin with the Blackvue DR590 W2CH, followed by the Blackvue DR750S-2CH, and then the flagship DR900S-2CH. So what are the differences between these cameras? Well, all three of these cameras are high-res 2 cameras, so front and rear cameras with Wi-Fi. The differences between them are going to be in the features as well as the frame rates and the image processors. So the entry-level DR590, which is this guy right here, this guy is going to be a 1080p front and rear camera with 30 frames per second on the front camera. It does have the Sony Starvis night vision image processor. It's going to give you a superior night vision response without the need for infrared IRs on the side of the camera. It's a great camera for those of you looking for a budget-oriented, high-feature, high-content-rich camera, but it does not have any of the Blackvue over-the-cloud functionality, which you get when you step up to the DR750. What you also get with the DR750 is you're going to get a 60 frame rate per second on the front camera, 30 frames per second on the rear camera, but you're going to get the Blackvue over-the-cloud functionality with this camera. A lot of people ask, well, what is Blackvue over-the-cloud? Blackvue over the cloud is essentially a cloud video service that allows you to not only upload footage to a cloud server to save it off of the memory card that's on the camera, but it also allows you to remotely access your footage if you wanted to. You can also remotely access the camera view if you wanted to through your smartphone or through an internet connection. That would require an internet connection in the vehicle. You can use something like this guy. This is not a Blackvue part, but this kind of gives you an idea. It is a 4G LTE hotspot. You need to have one of these installed and subscribed in your vehicle in order to access Blackvue or the cloud remotely. You could also use a Wi-Fi connection from your home or from your business. If the vehicle is parked in a parking lot that had Wi-Fi coverage, you could then connect the DR750 to the cloud, Blackvue over the cloud server, and be able to remotely access the video. The Blackvue DR900S is the flagship model. What makes this flagship is it's a 4K camera, so resolution goes up from 1080p to 4K. So does the video encoding, so the memory size of the video files that this records is actually very similar to the DR750. What they're doing is they're compressing the video file to make them a little bit smaller. But again, it is a 4K camera, so the file sizes are going to be a little bit larger. So if you were to compare the two in terms of your overall storage capacity, you would have less storage capacity with this based on the size of the files. Again, this also has Blackvue over the cloud, so all the same functionality as the DR750, but with 4K resolution. This has proven to be a very popular camera. A lot of people like the fact that it's got 4K and that it's top of the line. So very good choice if you decide to go with that one. What I want to do also in this video, I just want to show you the differences between the front body cameras. The rear cameras are all pretty much the exact same. I'm just going to take each one out so you can see the differences between them. As I open the box here. So this is the DR590. As you can see, it's pretty small. It's a cigar cylindrical shaped camera. Camera tilts up and down like this. You can pull the camera out of the mounting bracket like that. The memory card loads just like the other models. The memory card loads behind that door. And it clicks back in like that. This guy here, this is a DR750. I'm just going to pull the lens cap off of both. So DR750, as you can see, it's a little bit larger. This is the DR590, this is the DR750. You can see the difference between the two. They are a little bit, the DR750 is a little bit larger. One of the cool things about the DR750 series is that there is a tamper-proof case accessory that you can buy for this camera. So if you have a commercial vehicle or you want to lock down, pardon the pun, the memory card, you can do so with an accessory for the DR750 and the DR900 series that you cannot do with the DR590. But as you can see, the bracket comes off just like that. And then this is the DR900. So as you can see, the DR750 and the DR900 are almost exact. The difference, how you can tell the two, is if you look, this has a bronze ring around the lens. This does not. That is how you can tell the difference between the two. This also says 4K UHD on the front. This one here says FHD, 60 frames per second. So that's how you tell the difference between the DR900 and the DR750 on the front camera. Again, the rear cameras are all very similar. This guy here, I'm just going to show you. This is the DR750 rear camera. As you can see, it's quite small. This here is the DR900. The DR750, DR900, they look almost identical. In fact, you would be very hard pressed to tell the difference between them. And then this here is the DR590 rear camera. So as you can see, they're very similar in makeup between all three of them. They do have distinct differences, and they fill a need for various clients. Some people want basic, some people want a little bit more advanced, and they want 4K. There's a camera pretty much in this model lineup that fits almost anybody's needs. And whether you drive a passenger vehicle, a pickup truck, a commercial vehicle, if you drive for rideshare like taxi, Lyft, Uber, we have a Blackvue camera for you. We hope you liked this video. If you did, please hit the like button. If you could, subscribe to our YouTube channel. It goes a long way to help us make more videos like this in the future. If you need to reach us, 1-866-824-4118 is our toll-free number. We are based in Markham, Ontario, Canada. We do installs as well as we sell these cameras. And we hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.